Hi, my name is Monari, the head of research at Silverhawk Mazingira Hub. And here we do 5 things: action on research, propagation, conservation, and consultation. So our work is mainly formed because majority, actually close to a quarter of our indigenous trees right now are threatened to extinction, and we are trying as much as we can to propagate those trees here and also do more research into their uses and how we can find more economic sense into the trees so that we can get as many people to plant them in their farm, and in such a doing we can buffer them from facing the extinction that they are facing at this time. Here in this nursery we have 132 indigenous tree species. In Kenya we have 1,400 indigenous tree species, and here we have 132, and every day, every month and every year we have goals of trying to expand the numbers of species that we conserve here. So we'll be able to see them and talk about a few of them. We can talk about this one, for example. This one is called Myrianthus holstei, or the giant yellow mulberry. It's an indigenous fruit that grows around Mount Kenya. It's a really huge fruit, the size of the common avocado. Wow. We are having here, and we would even recommend that people plant them and sell them in the market, just like we sell the other fruits.
And the sweet taste?
Yes, it tastes like pineapple.
Wow.
Yeah. Then we have another indigenous fruit here. This one is called Scutia myritina, or cat thorns. It's called cat thorns because as it continues to grow, the thorns actually start forming the shape of the cat's claws. But the fruits are tiny and black. They are not so big, but they are very sweet. And apart from the fact that you can get fruits from this tree, we've also given it another economical sense, because you can actually plant this as a fence. So while you have your fence, you can also be eating the fruits as they grow. And I would explain also about the local name, where it's called Muharangware for the Kikuyu people, and that is derived from the fact that Ngware are birds which love the fruits, but because of the thorns scratch the birds when they come to eat the fruits. Then this is generally our propagation area. This is where we germinate
in different bags.
Yeah, in different bags. And you can see we are having some good germination rates over there. And I would explain why we prefer using this than the traditional method. One is because if the elements that are good for germination, for example sunlight, are missing at this particular point, you can lift up the bag and move it to the next spot where there are those elements. And also we don't lose a lot of water because we pay for water here. We don't lose a lot of water because we are when we are spraying, we spray on the particular bag only. And also in case there is something like a flood or any natural calamities, we won't lose. For example, if there is floods, they won't sweep our bags here compared to having the propagation or germination area on the ground. And also we are able to monitor. You can't get some, for example, moles cannot eat the seeds where they are here. So that's why we prefer using this, and we get excellent germination.
Best results.
Yeah, for our trees.